Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to share a little bit of the photos I just took. The sun is out, the sun is shining. Way nicer to get outside than the negative 27 from last week. So it's nice to actually get out. It's above freezing, which is nice. The snow's melting. Makes for some nice kind of puddle shots I got a little bit today walking around. And I used, in these photos we're going to show you, I've been all about kind of the classic chrome, back to that film simulation. No recipe in this one, just the standard out of the camera, classic chrome. And I did have a question from a viewer of the channel. I love your questions, as always, is what lens I normally use when I'm out taking street photography. And I normally use the 35mm. This is the XC35 from Fuji. This is basically the same as the XF. It just doesn't have the aperture ring on it. You have to adjust it with the control wheel on the front of your XT4 camera. But it's cheaper. So that's kind of the part of the reason I got it. I've had my eye on the 23mm. I know a lot of people had a poll on the community channel, and I did a poll, and a lot of the people that are into street photography do use the 23mm. I keep looking at it at the store online, but haven't pulled the trigger on that. So maybe in the next month or so, I'll maybe pick up a new lens to give it a try. But I do kind of like this 35. I like the pictures. It looks good. And you work with what you have. Don't go too crazy and spend too much money on camera stuff. It's hard because I know from watching, and actually an Instagram DM from Paul, who watches the channel quite regularly, he probably recognizes the city from one of the other channels. It does a lot more subscribers in here and a lot more videos than me, but the camera store has a YouTube channel, and that's just down the street from me. So it's hard walking out the door, and almost every day when I'm out walking, I walk by the camera store, which makes it tough to not want to go in and buy camera gear. But it's kind of nice because we're not really kind of supposed to be going into shops as much as we had to. They do curbside there, but it's just kind of across the street and stay on the other side and don't order anything. I'm happy with my lens, but we'll see. We'll get a new one. So that's me, enough rambling. Hopefully you like these pictures. It's kind of nice, classic chrome, straight out of the camera, XC35mm lens, very minimal editing, not even any cropping on these photos, just a bit of horizon straightening. That's it, straight out of the camera, straight classic chrome film simulation. I've numbered the pictures. Let me know what you like, and hopefully you enjoy. Hopefully you like those. Let me know in the comments below what number you like the best. I put a number on the bottom of each one. Let me know what one you like. Thanks for watching, everybody. It's nice to get out again now that it is a bit warmer. We'll try and get some more videos posted. I have actually picked up, I didn't pick up, but I have from before, I have an old GoPro that I use. I'm gonna try and maybe do some point of view, kind of more vlog style. So if you're into maybe seeing some of that, just some kind of walking around, a bit more kind of atmosphere shots from some of these pictures, let me know if you want to see that. I don't know how good the stabilization is going to be on this. I'll have to kind of check it out. It's an older GoPro, but If that's something you'd be interested in seeing, more point of view type videos when I'm out doing some street photography, do let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. And don't forget, if you aren't subscribed, do always hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you like the video, and thanks for following along.